Hey guys, Brian Varga here. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips to make a successful funnel. Alright, to create a successful funnel, you're going to want to have a hook, a story, and an offer. Your hook, like for example, how to create wealth in 3 days without actually working. You gotta create a hook that just grabs somebody's attention. And your funnel is going to have a lot of hooks. Your ad's going to have a lot of hooks to get them to your funnel. You gotta have a story. Your story. How did you get here to this point? Your origin story. Why should they listen to you? What kind of experiences do you have? What were some of your pains or your solutions? What have you overcome? And then you're gonna have your offer. Now, your hook, story, and your offer. It's going to be throughout your ad. It's going to be throughout your landing page. It's going to be throughout your whole funnel. You're going to be constantly doing your hooks, your stories, and your offers. It's essential. But offer, what's selling in your market. You can offer hack them. Go and see what they're selling. What's the market already buying? What kind of things are they offering to that market? Just add value. You got to add value. If everyone was selling, let's see, if everyone was selling this cup of coffee for $20, what makes that? If you're going to sell a cup of coffee, you add value to it. So what makes them buy from you versus them? So you're going to want to always have a good hook, a story, and an offer in all your funnels. All right, thanks.